Hey everybody, it's game time. I'm starting to be on the mend. My voice is still a little bit and I might have to clear my throat a time or two, but I'm starting to get better finally. So, if you've been watching the videos lately, you know I've had some crazy good luck. I've pulled the Acuna on-card gold auto to 50 out of Bowman's Best, and then the 101 Saquon, which was just insane. I don't know that I could pull anything out of this box that would top either of those. Oh, and I pulled the Baker Mayfield auto redemption not too long ago. That was like 2 weeks ago. I've just been on a tear. I don't think there's anything in this box that could top that stuff, but still there can be some really good stuff in here. I do have another box of Bowman's Best on the way and another box of Donruss Optic. I'm going to take 2 more shots at that. I mean, because like, how could I not after having such crazy luck? I probably just set myself up for major disappointment, but you know, how can you not take another chance after having those great pulls? I mean, that's just kind of the nature of the beast, to try again after, you know, after having some big hits. So we'll see how those work out when those come in, but for now this is what we've got. Another hobby box of Elite Extra Edition. I posted one of these just recently. I can't remember what box I'm on. I think I've opened excuse me. I think this is box 4 of this, which is more of this than I normally do. Well, the little smaller longevity boxes in 2017, I opened a ton of those. I've still got some more of those to post. And I did open some blasters of this, but honestly, the hobby box is more fun. 8 autographs, 2 mem, 5 packs, 5 cards per pack. You probably know the drill by now. Let's get into it. See what I can do with my trash here. I've got my fan on, so. Alright, Jace Easley, down there, Jace Easley, Aspirations to 100. Grayson Rodriguez, this is an on-card auto to 15, it looks like. Let me double check. Oh wait, is that right? Get in the right light, hang on. Yep, out of 15, so super short print there. Not bad at all. Braxton Ashcraft, another on-card autograph. Should not be numbered. Yeah, not numbered. Sergio Campana and Josh Stowers to $9.99. I don't know if you noticed, but tree is out of the way, and I've got my normal little filming area back, so that's good. Oh, and my new camera stand came in, so if I can just get myself healed, I will be back on track. Franklin Perez, this is the red status die cut to 99. Let me set these down, get my fingerprints all over them. Reed Schaller to 100, Aspirations purple sticker auto. Nick Decker, another on-card, not numbered, but I love the on-card autos. And filler. Then we have Manny De La Rosa and Tyler Frank as the 2 numbered base cards. Alright, pack number 3. Jonathan Bolin. This is to 150. Elias Reynoso, sticker auto, not numbered. Braxton Garrett to 49, triple material. Good looking jersey card of a good player there. So that's my first mem card. Not bad at all. Alright, then we have Novelli Marte, that's a base card, and a chrome Optichrome, I think they call it. Kevin Sanchez, that's not bad either. I love the chrome. Looks good. I think it's the first time I've gotten one of the base cards in chrome. Pack number 4. Alright, Kyoto Yuki. This is numbered out of 49. I think this is the Emerald Status die cut. Here's a good looking Josh Jung. Wow, auto patch numbered to 25. It's a gorgeous patch. Okay, where are we at? Josh Brew, another on card. Lots of on card in this box. Ryder Green and Blaine Knight. Alright, last pack. See what we get. Matthew Liberatore. This is the 100 Orange Aspirations. A Will Banfield Chrome Auto. That's a sweet card. It's a sticker, but still, it's a good one for the chrome. Cal Raleigh. This is another Optichrome. Well, maybe just chrome. Maybe they call Optichrome the one that looks like a refractor. Nico Horner base card, and the last card is a really nice Yanio Perez quad materials to 49. 3 of these are obviously just plain little white swatches, but one really nice little patch up there in the left hand side corner. So another solid box of this. I mean, I feel like you just kind of can't go wrong. There's a lot of value in this. And I will probably buy one more. I'm going to stop at some point. I like the price. I like how many hits you get. I like, you know, the card ratio. How many on-card autos you get. I just really digging this stuff. Let me go. Yeah, let me go. But before I go, let me know what you think. Please like and subscribe. Hit that little ding-dong bell if you want to be notified of new videos. And I am always posting new videos. Everybody take care. Hope you had a great New Year's, and I'll be back soon.